Ashton, I want a Kit Kat.
I told you they already out of them.
Did you look for them?
Yes, I told you they out of them.
So you didn't look.
Oh my God. I looked. They didn't have them, man.
But you said you was going to give me a Kit Kat, so why didn't you go get it? Did you look
I'm
all
trying
the
to
way?
watch the game. I ain't really trying to get into it right now. I'm gonna get it when I get it.
So you just not gonna give me a Kit Kat?
I just told you I'm gonna get it when I get it.
When is the last time you seen Walmart run out of Kit Kats?
I'm not doing this with you.
There's no way that Walmart ran out of Kit Kats.
You must want me to call Walmart or something.
Yeah, because obviously, Ashton, you didn't look.
I did look.
You didn't, because every time I go to Walmart, they have a Kit Kat.
Well, maybe
Did
this
you
time
look on all the checkout aisles?
They didn't even have them.
Did you look? Are you avoiding my question?
Nah, I looked. It's just, maybe, I'm tired.
You stuttering. You're lying.
I just want to watch the game.
You didn't look for it.
Look, the Cowboys losing. I'm getting mad. I just want to watch the game.
Yes, I would like to speak to someone in customer service.
She calling me.
Are y'all out of Kit Kats for real? He lying. Yeah, I see my boyfriend there, but he just steady saying y'all out of Kit Kats. I ain't never known y'all to be out of Kit Kats.
I never out of Kit Kats. I told you that.